Meaning of driving school.
Driving school.
Driving school.
Driving school.
Driving school. A driving school is an educational institution or program that provides instruction to individuals who want to acquire a driver's license. These schools typically offer a combination of classroom instruction and practical driving experience with the goal of preparing students for successful completion of their driving test. Some driving schools also offer defensive driving courses, advanced driving techniques, and instruction for commercial drivers. Attending a driving school can help individuals become safer and more confident drivers, and can ultimately lead to better outcomes on the road.